Hey, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check website performance with less than 1 minute. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going to gtmetrics.com. This is a very popular website. You can check any website performance in less than 1 minute. If I going similar web, you can see this website monthly 965 lakh people visit this website every month. So I want to check a website. This is marov.ai. You can check any website performance. It's absolutely free. You don't have cost any single money. So I need few seconds because of this website already processing here, and this test server locations or Canada. This is a very popular server location from Canada. So I'm waiting few seconds for this result. This link you will find in my video description. First link. You can see I need login here, so I want to click on. So my login are successfully done. So I want to check everything. You can see this website performance are 77% and structure are 84%, LCP and TBT CLS. You can check everything. You can see fully loaded time 10 seconds. This is very bad because of when your website are performance 90% plus, that your website are good. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. I'll try to create a video for you. See you next video. Take care.